After the transactions have gone through, we can check the reports. So mainly we'll be touching on three types of reports. The first one being the overall sales report, the second one being the bills report, and the final one being the tax reports. So we'll go through the first report first, which is the bill reports. So this report will show all of the current bills that have been finalized through the ODS into the system. So you can see exactly the bill IDs, what has been ordered, and how much it cost. So if you click into the bill ID, you also can see a more detailed version of the breakdown. So this is what the bill will be shown. So this is also the payment mode, etc. So we can also use the dates to filter the reports. So there are also different report types. They can be daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. The payment type can also be customized, so you can actually also choose mobile or choose cash or just cash itself. Next, you also have this bill total range, so you can also segregate and filter the necessary bill amount that's linked to the bills. So there's also the include void bills and the voided bills. So if you on these two toggles, right, you only be able to see the voided bills. So if you only on the only voided bills, then you'll see all of the reports, which include the voided bills. So for this demonstration, we will filter with the unvoided bills. So once you're done filtering, you can actually download the report. So press the download button, key in the name, maybe you can put bill report June, and press the generate report button. So once you have successfully generated, press this green button to actually download the generated file. So this is how the reporting for Excel works. So this is for bill reports. The next one we can go is actually the overall sales report. So for overall sales report, it's pretty similar. There's the start and end date filters, the report types, the payment types, and the additional setting is the data setting. So you can actually choose which setting you want to show. So let's say if you don't want to show the end date, so it will not be showing the end date in the reports. So these are filters that you can actually filter to show the sales list, to update the sales list, to see what you want to see. So the overall sales report will show information like the start, end dates, the subtotal, the tax, and additional charges. So tax can be something like the GST, while additional charges are something like the service charge. So there's also various different types of discounts, and of course the total amount with the rounding and the total sales that's involved. So this is for the overall sales report. So the next report that we actually need to see is the tax reports. So this is for accounting purposes. So you can see the filters also exactly the same. So download reports here. Then you can see the different types of GST service charge, which is available in the outlets. So you can see that 7 cents is accounted for GST and 7 cents is accounted for service charge. So this is where you can actually filter with the dates to actually also filter the daily and weekly, monthly to see how much has gone into the GST and service charges. So these are the three types of reports that are mainly used for the restaurants operations.